we guide you through how to make a Game Pass in Roblox using your mobile device. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to the Roblox website, then log into your account and tap the three lines on the top corner. Select Create and switch to desktop mode. If you don't see all options, next tap Creations and choose the experience or game you want to add the Game Pass to. Scroll down and find the passes section, then tap Create a Pass. Upload an image that will represent your Game Pass. Make sure it's clear and eye-catching, then enter a name and description that tells players exactly what benefits they'll get. Tap Preview, then Verify Upload. After that, go back to your created pass, tap the settings or three dots, choose Sales, toggle them Item for Sale, and set your desired price in Robux. Keep in mind, Roblox will take a percentage, so it's priced smartly. Then save your changes, and that's it. Your Game Pass is now live. Players can purchase it inside your game, and if you want more sales, make sure your Game Pass actually gives values like special abilities like VIP access or bonuses, so people are motivated to buy it immediately.